Welcome to our culinary journey. Today, we're diving into the fast-paced world of 10-minute recipes for busy weeknights, where you can whip up delicious, satisfying meals even when time is tight. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, finding time to cook a healthy, homemade meal can be a challenge. That's where these quick and easy recipes come in, designed to help you get dinner on the table in just 10 minutes, without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Start with garlic butter shrimp pasta. Cook 200 g of spaghetti according to package instructions, drain, and set aside. In a large pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat, add 3 minced garlic cloves, and saute for 1 minute until fragrant. Add 200 g of peeled and deveined shrimp to the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until pink and opaque. Stir in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, season with salt and pepper, and toss the cooked spaghetti with the shrimp and garlic butter. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve immediately. Next, try veggie stir-fry with tofu. Heat 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a large pan over medium-high heat, add 1 cubed block of firm tofu, and cook until golden brown on all sides, about 5 minutes. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, add 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 sliced bell pepper, and 1 julienne carrot. Stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes until tender crisp. Add the tofu back to the pan and stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and a cornstarch slurry made from 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce thickens and coats the vegetables and tofu. Garnish with sesame seeds and serve over steamed rice. For a quick lunch, make an avocado and chicken wrap. Spread mashed avocado on 2 large tortillas, layer with 1 sliced cooked chicken breast, 1 sliced tomato, and a handful of baby spinach. Drizzle with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, roll up the tortillas tightly, cut in half, and serve immediately. If you prefer something fresh and light, prepare a caprese salad. Arrange slices of 2 large tomatoes and 1 ball of fresh mozzarella alternately on a plate. Tuck fresh basil leaves between the slices. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of balsamic glaze and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper, and serve immediately. Lastly, whip up quick chicken fajitas. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add 2 thinly sliced chicken breasts, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until browned. Add 1 sliced bell pepper, 1 sliced onion, and 2 tablespoons of fajita seasoning, and stir fry for another 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are tender and the chicken is cooked through. Serve with warm tortillas, sour cream, salsa, and guacamole. These 10-minute recipes are perfect for those nights when you need something fast but still want it to be tasty and nourishing. Fun fact: quick meals don't have to be boring or repetitive. With a little creativity and some time-saving tips, you can enjoy a wide variety of dishes that are both quick to make and a delight to eat. Thank you for your time and interest in exploring these quick and easy recipes.